Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ashland County, Huron County, Richland County until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles northeast at Willard and moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Fitchville, Mansfield, Ashland, Shelby, New London, Savannah, Ontario. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Huron, and Richland.